Hello, Expat Travels. It is Jeremy. I am in the Chicago area. I am in Schaumburg, Illinois today. And behind me stands, well, let's put it this way. A lot of people may know about it. A lot of people may not know about it. It is Ikea Home Furnishings. It is like the Costco and Walmart of home furnishings. It's worldwide. For most of you in my channel who are in Argentina, you don't have this in Argentina, but let me show you how massive this place is. Let me show you what this place is all about. It is really cool. If you are renting a home or you are looking for an apartment and you need furnishings, this place is your answer. There are people that come up here with U-Haul trailers and buy stuff here. So it's really an amazing place, but I'm gonna take you on a tour up. Okay, they open at 10 a.m. It's a few minutes before 10 o'clock. As you can tell, there's already a line of people lining up to go inside. So this should be interesting to say the least, but we're gonna go check this out. Ikea in Schaumburg, Illinois. Let's see what this place amounts to. Okay, it is after 10 o'clock. Let's go take a walk and see what we find out. Here we go. Ikea. Let's go check this out. Looks like you got a sitting area when you first come inside the door. Looks like you get little shopping baskets here. Yeah, family. You can take a pencil and pad. Here is the map of the store. As you can see, little bitty pencils. You write down exactly the things that you're looking for. They have a frequent shopper program, and they have breakfast, and it's a touch and taste of Sweden. You've got the breakfast, $2. I mean, where do you get breakfast for $2? Bacon and eggs, mac and cheese is $3.99, and a cake for $1. I mean, seriously, super cheap food. Looks like they are open from 10 to 7, and let's go take a look. As you make your way, the thing about Ikea is basically they have bedroom simulations of showing you what you could do. Obviously, it is back to school season in the United States, so obviously you're preparing for college for dorm rooms and things like that. Over here, you got another simulation of a room. So all the things in this room, they sell, and basically you can purchase them. But again, like I said, the prices are pretty cheap, and that's why so many people choose this store. It's amazing. They're mainly in major metropolitan areas, so you won't find them in smaller cities in the United States, but they are worldwide. But it's pretty amazing what you see here. And the prices, like I said, are super, super cheap. They have even kitchens, full kitchens. You see everything here. It's pretty amazing because you get really jealous. You're like, oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. It's pretty amazing stuff in here. Then you have a bathroom. Oh, I'd love to have a bathroom like this. Then look at this bedroom. Pretty amazing, huh? Amazing stuff. Here's a kid's mock-up bedroom. Okay, we are in the pillow section now. And I don't know if most of you are side sleepers like I am, and you like memory foam pillows. This pillow here is absolutely, I will swear by it. I've slept on this thing a year. I'm gonna show you what's great about this pillow versus most memory foam pillows. It has 3 individual layers that you can put in or take out, okay? Which is very cool. It's very cool. And I believe, at least it used to, unless they changed the design, it used to have a cooling side to it too. So you have a cooling side on this side, and you got 3 layers, so you can make it either a single, double, or triple for however thick you want to be. And most memory foam pillows don't do that. This is an exceptional pillow. I've slept on it a year. I would praise by it highly. as you can see, this place is just absolutely massive. This place is 3 stories, and I'll tell you, if you walk out of here empty-handed, you weren't looking very hard, because there is tons of deals everywhere. Here we are in the lighting area. I'm surprised that they actually have Halloween stuff out already. Look at this, it's kind of early for this, but they do have it. I love the string lights. I'm always a huge fan of string lights, but I'm surprised they got Halloween stuff out already. But this is the lighting area. Cheap lamps you can find. You need floor lamps, you need stand-up lamps. I love those stand-up lamps in the back, but this is pretty cool. Like I said, if you're trying to remodel your house or your apartment, or you're a college student, this place, I'll tell you, you can buy a bunch of stuff here and come out and not break the bank doing it. It's really, really cool. I love this place. I always have. Check this out. I love these lamps. Check this out. Look at these lamps. Those are cool. $17 for that lamp. Very, very, very cool. I love that. I absolutely love that lamp. Okay, we are now in the kids area. Look at the cool stuff that kids have. Look at the toddler beds. Look at all the quilts and things. Like I said, this is really a cool place, and you probably can furnish your whole house for not very much money. This is kind of like a jungle setting for kids. It's pretty amazing. It's really very, very cool. You go this way, and say your child is growing and you want to do something more teenager based, or maybe you have twins, you need to do bunk beds. You got this one. It's pretty cool. It's amazing. And you go this way, and you got all kinds of stuff for kids. You got a folding gym mat. You can have your kids play on the mats. You got a little play set here, a little tent, like a circus top tent. My son would love this stuff. You got a storage with compartments. You got all the animals, stuffed animals. You got soccer balls, or footballs, because remember, I came from Argentina. And look at how cheap they are. A soft toy, $4.99. $4.99. Amazingly cool. This, like I said, this place is really, I love it. I love it. It's a very cool, tranquil place. You got a shark for $29. I don't know if you want a shark, but nonetheless, here you go. Oh my God, look at this wardrobe. This is crazy. $4,000. Look at this. Insane. Well, when I get my first mansion, my first million, I will decorate my house like that. This is one of the coolest things about Ikea. If you have a cart, you have items full, you literally can take your cart down the escalator. It has its own escalator. That is absolutely cool as crap. And there's the glass elevator. Looks like they have 2 glass elevators in here. And another panorama around. Let's go check out the restaurant, shall we? They do sell food here. They do sell Swedish food here. Lingonberry syrup. I've never had that before. But now we're at the restaurant, and it's a Swedish restaurant. Try a taste of Sweden. Here is the restaurant menu. And again, get a load of these prices. Swedish meatballs, $9. Salmon fillet, $11. Side dishes. Stuff is very affordable. The kids' meals are cheap. You can see the kids' meals prices. The desserts are really cheap. A lot of great options here. And looks like you can order by kiosk here. So basically you can order by kiosk and get whatever you need out of the restaurant here. Very clean, very modern, very fresh, very affordable. And that's why this place does really well with so many people around the world, because it really has answered your home improvement needs. Breakfast, lunch for less than $8. Small breakfast, $2. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that in the US. But nonetheless, here is the restaurant. Plenty of seating area, nice, clean, and modern. There you go. It looks like here in Chicago they're promoting Beauty and the Beast the musical, and it looks like you can save 25% on a 4-pack of tickets. They're showing you kind of like the silverware and everything behind Beauty and the Beast, and this looks like the dress, I'm assuming, that's going to be done in the musical. I don't know if it says when this is actually happening. I guess you can go online and Google it and find out when this is going to be. Oh, well, nevertheless, there it is. July 9th through August 2nd at the Cadillac Place. So if you are in the Chicago area, you can go see Beauty and the Beast the musical before it ends on August 2nd. Let's take the glass elevator down. Let's try this here. We're going to go down to 1. Okay. Doors closing. And now we're going to go down the glass elevator here. Give you a real taste of what this place looks like. You can see all the home furnishings, several floors. You have the restaurant up on 3. You've got bedding, you've got textiles, you've got kitchen, you've got everything you would ever want for your home. Picture frames, mirrors, rugs, and they do even actually sell furniture here too. It is absolutely a huge, huge place. And like I said, if you're looking to, take care of your home, if you're looking to take care of your apartment, this place you can get in and out of here in probably a fraction of the cost of which you would pay any place else. Let's take a look at the Swedish food market now. They show you how to create your own meal in 24 minutes and the food you need to do so. Looks like they sell jams and jellies here. They sell coffee, they sell wine. Looks like you can get cereal, you can get crackers. Typical, a lot of things. I don't think it's as good as a regular supermarket, but if you're looking for some different delicacies of something different to try, I think they probably definitely have plenty of that. You got potato chips, you got snack foods. What's this stuff? Candy, maybe? I'm not sure what that is exactly. Those look like Twix, but they're not Twix, obviously. They're named differently. You've got chocolate bars. This is a big favorite of people here at Ikea. The cinnamon buns. This is a big one that people will do a lot of, and they're pretty darn good. I've had them before. They are pretty darn good. It looks like $8 you can get 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will tell you, in Argentina, when I was in Argentina, one cinnamon roll was 6,000 pesos by itself, $6. And here you can get 6 of them for $8. That tells you the value of Ikea. So there you have it. I just checked out, and my purchases from Ikea today were obviously the pillow that I praised, and also I got these, and they look really good. They're kind of like cinnamon roll minis. You can see the Swedish flag there. They were $3.99, and I'm like, let's give these a try. And of course, like I told you, the pillow is one of the best pillows I've ever slept on in my life. I can't sleep on conventional pillows, and Ikea is the only place that I've ever seen that has a triple layer pillow like that, that's cooling, and you can adjust the comfort level, and it's fantastic. I would highly praise the pillow, so I bought another one. But that is the review of Ikea Schaumburg, Illinois. Please like and comment to this channel for more travel information and videos to come. Thank you for all my subscribers who have subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, and have a good day.